Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a spacious bungalow style house in the family oriented gated community of Orchard Gardens, Hanover. The house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with additional 1 bed, 1 bath helper's quarters. The house is grilled. There is also a spacious living area, open dining and kitchen space, with the kitchen fully equipped for a chef. Hopewell is 20 minutes from Montego Bay and less than an hour from the white sand beaches of Negril. The popular Old Steamer Beach is just 5 minutes away. The land area of this house is approximately 11,302 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 42 million or US $272.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.